Hey everyone, since it is Thanksgiving Day, happy Thanksgiving. There's going to be a lot of shopping happening since Christmas is right around the corner. And as you probably already know, Black Friday deals have been starting all week as we speak, even though technically Black Friday is not till tomorrow. In any case, I wanted to share with you how you can save some money during this high dollar season. And one of the ways that I do that is by using Ebates. And I will include a link in the description box below if you're interested in signing up for Ebates. This is the Ebates site. And as you can tell, they have so many deals going on right now. They're having all these incentives for you to get double cash back and really high percentages of cash back, more so than usual. Let me just show you a little bit about this site. So as you can see here, I've already accumulated over $400 in cash back. I don't know how long I've been doing this. It's been a little while. And I honestly didn't think that this was legit for the longest time, and I didn't pay attention to it. But it is. And it's not like you're going to get rich off of this, but hey, I'll take $444.67. In fact, in just shopping over the last day or so, this past week, I've already earned an additional $14.51 cash back. So you can, and this is my big fat check history. I love that they call it a big fat check. You'll get these, you can have it deposited directly into an account. You can get it as a physical check. I prefer a physical check, and I am expecting this check coming to me very soon. If it's not already sitting in my mailbox, I haven't checked my mailbox in a while, but I did some shopping on Groupon. I got $3.11 back. JCPenney, Payless Shoes, Cheapo Air, Hollister, JCPenney again. I mean, this was a big one. I stayed at the Fairmont. I got, $28 back. QVC. I mean, again, these are not big dollar amounts, but they do add up. And hey, I am so down with getting some money back. The best way to do this is to add this to your browser. So I have it here. And I will show you how whenever you go to any site that you're shopping, it automatically opens this up and issues you cash back. So anyway, so let's take a look at the Black Friday sales. And these are all the various percentages that you would get cash back from. So I just recently purchased from Old Navy, and today it's up to 10% cash back. It wasn't that just yesterday even. Hollister, 4% cash back. It wasn't that yet yesterday, I don't believe. So if you shop at Lowe's, QVC, Amazon, it will exclude certain things, but if you're shopping on Amazon, which we all are, hey, you're going to get up to 8% cash back. Groupon, same thing. So let's just click on one of these, for instance. If we go to Old Navy, it will automatically say, see, you're on your way, 10% cash back has been activated. And all you have to do, and you'll know, because see how this part right here is green? That means it's activated. If for some reason it wasn't, all you have to do is click on it and it will activate it. So let's say you go to women's, everything is half off right now, and you wanted to, let's just pick something just for the sake of picking it. Wanted to buy these in a size 2. You add to the bag. And you'll pay for it just like you normally do. And then as soon as you do, you'll receive an email that tells you, hooray, you've got cash back coming. And it'll tell you where you purchased from. And it usually gets into your account within the next day or two. Sometimes immediately. And then, so for instance, I told you earlier that I just got paid. It will send you an email that my $58 is on its way. Another place that you want to save money is where we all shop, Target. And if you don't already have the Target Red Card, I don't know what you are waiting for. It's absolutely free. You're going to get 5% off every single time you shop there. And I don't know about you, but I shop there probably 2 times a week minimum. you can get the debit card if you don't want the credit card. You can get one or the other. I have the debit card, so it just comes straight out of my regular bank account, just like a debit card, but I get the 5% off. And you're going to get exclusive extras. You get 5% off every single day. You get the free 2-day shipping, and you get extended returns. So that is a no-brainer. Another app that you would want to download and you add it to your Chrome browser here is the Honey app. And I will have a link in the description box below also. And it automatically just searches for coupons. So while you're shopping, so let's just say here, we're going to check out. So see how Honey just pops up? I didn't have to do anything. And they found 10 coupons. So we're going to apply coupons. And it's going to check and see if any of these coupons work. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. Another one is Piggy. This is another couponing site. It automatically checks for coupons and applies it. Similar to Honey. It says here we have one code for 3% cash back. So let's try the code. Okay, so you notice here it says, congratulations, no coupons today. We tried them all. Right here, same thing, no buyer's remorse. You already have the best price. Cool. Continue back to the checkout. So, but it's a great way that you don't have to scour the internet for the coupons. It automatically does it for you, and then it automatically applies it if it is applicable. You can also download the Ebates app for your phone. And when you have it, you just click on it. It works just like it does on your computer. And you're able to see all of the offers that are currently available. And you can shop directly from the app. And it'll show you what the percentage is that you're getting cash back on. And that changes on a regular basis. So right now it's Black Friday. They're upping their game. So this is a great time to shop because you get an increased cash back. You can set up your notifications, and it also gives you a history. And another thing that is really nice is you can also link a card so that you can shop at certain stores in store. So there are certain stores that are available for cash back if you shop directly at their brick and mortar shop. Most of it is online, but if you linked a credit card to your account, then you're able to shop with that credit card and you automatically get the cash back when you shop there. So very exciting. I did have my Ebates check waiting for me in my mailbox. And this is the check. $58.05. My big fat check, and there she is. So go start earning your cash back by signing up for Ebates today, and also Piggy and Honey and your Target Red card.